Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you could sign up and create a new account for item.com. So all what you have to do is, first step, you have to select a plan. You could go to plans by clicking on pricing or clicking on sign up for free at the top part of the screen or right here. So all of these buttons will take you to the same page. Let's say you click sign up for free. It will be presented with 4 plans on this page, and that if you click on large business, you'll be able to see 3 more plans that are for more skilled businesses. What you want to do is that first you want to select one of these plans. You want to see which plan you want to go with. If you prefer to go with the app plan, you could select it by clicking get started. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of the details of what's included in each of the plans. So you'll be able to see which apps are supported, and you'll be able to see which features and functions are supported in the apps, right? So these are the features and these are the apps that are available in each of these plans. Once you go through the plans that we have, you could simply select get started on the plan that you prefer. If I click get started app plan, you will be able to check out basically and create an account. So let's create a quick test. Once you fill out all of the details on this page, you will be able to get 3 days to test out the software with no charges, and then after the 14 days end, you will be charged on the part that you put on your account. Okay, let's say you entered all of your information here. You basically need to scroll down, click confirm. This checkbox has to be checked, and then click get started. Once you do that, you'll be able to enter more information related to your business. Once you're done filling out all the information on this page, simply scroll down and click Start Configuring. Now on this page, you'll be able to customize your plan, and you'll also be able to add or remove any features and any apps and any functions from your plan. So let's say we're currently on the app plan and we don't like this plan anymore and we would like to change it. Simply what you have to do is that you have to click select plan up here, and once you click on select plan, you'll be able to see all the plans again and select the different plan of your choice. So let's say I want to presume with the starter plan, so I'll click get started on the starter card. And now we have the starter plan right here, which is $30 per month. Now this plan will allow you to add additional users at $30 per month per user. Once you add any features from here, then you'll be able to see the total on the right side of the screen. If you have any promo codes from the website, for example, here, if you have a promo code, you take copy it, and you'll be able to paste the promo code right here. Now once you put the promo code in and click apply, the promo code will be applied and it will give you 20% off. This one allows you to get 20% off from the plans. Once you get charged, your plan will give you a discount of $16. Anyways, today you're not going to be charged anything, so your total for today, even if you put your credit card or debit card, you will be charged $0. And after 14 days trial ends, you will be charged the amount that shows right here. With that being said, some features and functions right here will allow you to upgrade your plan in order to use them. For example, if you want to use TPL customers, you have to upgrade to Pro plan. If you want to use EDI, you have to upgrade to the advanced plan. Once you figure out and configure your plan, all what you have to do is that you will scroll down and you click review and pay. Now on the review and pay page, you'll be able to enter your credit card or debit card information right here, and you'll be able to enter your billing address. You'll be able to see all of the details of the payment and how much you will be charged on the right side of the screen. And once you're done filling out your information, you'll click start trial. Once you click start trial, you'll be able to get an email, and this email will have a verification link. Once you click the button on the email verification link, your account will be active and you will start your subscription. And from there, you'll be able to access the apps that you've signed up for, and you'll be able to access the software. Now let's assume that you've successfully created and verified your account by clicking the link in the email that we've sent to you. So you go to login and you log in with the credentials that you've created. Now once you're logged in, you'll be able to see the My Item account, and this is where you can manage your account. You could upgrade, downgrade your plan. You could cancel your plan right here. You could access all the apps that are available in your plans, and you could see what is included in your current plan. If there's anything that you don't like, you're able to change it by simply scrolling down and clicking change my plan. You're also able to go under billing and upgrade and downgrade again your plan and update your billing information, like adding or removing any cards from their account. If you scroll down more, you'll be able to see the billing history and any invoices that we've charged you. So you'll be able to download any of the previous statements, and you'll be able to see all the details of why we charged you this amount. You're also able to see any support tickets that you've created, and you're able to also create any support tickets that are new, as well as see any job logs that we've created for you of any custom jobs that you've requested from us. You also have self-onboarding right here that will allow you to see steps and guidance for some functions that we have in our software.